Why do forward contracts exist? Imagine you are a wheat farmer. You spend months planting crops, watering fields, and waiting for harvest season. But there's a problem. You have no idea what wheat prices will be when your crop is ready. Today, wheat sells for 200 per ton. By harvest time, it could be $250 per ton, or $150 per ton, or even lower. Your income is uncertain. Now imagine a bread manufacturer. They have the opposite problem. They need wheat to make bread, but they don't know what wheat prices will be in the next 6 months. If prices suddenly rise, their costs could soar. So both parties have the same problem. The farmer fears falling prices, the bread company fears rising prices. A forward contract solves this problem. They agree today that 6 months from now, the wheat will be sold for $200 per ton. Now both sides know exactly what to expect. The farmer gains certainty, the bread company gains certainty. Neither side knows who will ultimately get the better deal, but both removes uncertainty. This is the main reason forward contract exists. They are not primarily created to make people rich. They are created to reduce uncertainty and transfer risk between two parties.